this is the Doritos. Anay, wait lang yung mga kamay nila. This is the carbonara pasta with milk. With milk. Bon appetito, bet. So very tasty. No, They called it carbonara with milk. That's pasta with milk. So let's eat carbonara. Let's eat. Bon appetito, bet. Bon appetito. Bon appetito, bet. Super tasty. Bon appetito, bet. Bon appetito. Go. Mi amor, go. This is the pasta. Mi amor. Ayun. This is the pasta. They called it carbonara with pasta with milk. That's real. Pasta with milk. So let's eat. Bon appetito, bet. Isa. Bon appetito, bet. Thank you for listening our conversation here. Thank you. Let's go So guys, yung mga gamit ko ito, may saltik, katulad dito. Nakakapagod. Ito pala, i-recommend ko para sa inyo guys itong anang ko. So huwag nyo lang bilhin because this is worth 1 billion. Look. Tignan nyo guys ang anang ko guys. Wala akong gagawin ko. Bon appetito, bet. Tapos na. Good.